I just discovered magic. I learned how to make a Christmas mint roll-on from this Simply Earth recipe box. You should go get yours today. Let's make this Christmas mint roll-on recipe so that you can get the scent of Christmas every day. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this month's recipe. Before we get started telling you what you're gonna need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with showing you how to use your essential oils. That's why with this month's themed box, which is gift giving, we'll give you all the ingredients you need to make the recipes in this box. Or you can go to simplyearth.com to get them. Let's get started with this recipe. First things first, you're going to want to grab your November recipe box. You are going to find your recipe that you're going to make. So for this recipe, you are going to need winter spice, lemon, and spearmint. Next, for your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your fractionated coconut oil and one of your 10 milliliter roll-on bottles. We do have an essential oil bottle opener tool that you can get on our website. Let's get started. All right, first things first, you're gonna grab your insert and take it out. I'm gonna put a funnel into my roll-on bottle just to make it easier to get the essential oils into the bottle. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is add lemon. So you'll want 2 drops of lemon. You are gonna want 3 drops of winter spice. Last but not least, 1 drop of spearmint. Now that we have our essential oils into our bottle, I'm going to fill the rest of the way up with coconut oil. Take my funnel out, put my insert back into the bottle, put the lid on, and last but not least, we're gonna label it. Now that the label's on, it's ready to be used. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like Christmas morning and I absolutely love it. You can make this too. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of your product, tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all your lovely creations too. If you want to turn those essential oils that are just sitting on your shelves into everyday products, get your Simply Earth recipe box so that you can turn natural products into recipes just like this.